Hi guys. Right, today I'm just putting on some purple gloves like you do. Coming on to do a project for end beads. I'm hoping that I've got everything I need on this table. I probably haven't now, thinking about it. No, I've got a piece of scrap paper around here, so I can put it on to there. I've got no wipes. Give me a second. Just want one, so just in case there's an accidental spill. Quick. Now, I've used these gloves before with the ink. Took them off. I've let them to dry, but the alcohol is now reacting. So anyway, can't touch what I wanted to touch now, can I? Right, we should be all ready there. I've got some alcohol inks to myself side. I've got some of this isopropyl alcohol. I have got this two die sets, one being this one. Is that the right way round? Yeah, this one. So what I've done is I've cut two of these out in black thick cardstock. I'm hoping to make a stained glass window as sorts. So we need this die, and also I've cut some backgrounds in these out, which are the postal stamps like that. I've just done some purple ones in cardstock. It's nice cardstock like this. So what we're going to do today, I've got nothing planned, so this is all going. I'm going to I've cut some acetate to an A4 piece of card, acetate, sorry, and I've cut it into 4 pieces. So I have plenty of room for when this goes on top of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some alcohol. That one. Right, first off then I'm going to put a drop There goes the mess. Hi guys, welcome back. Just adjusting the camera a little bit. Right, so I've made these. These are the pretty side around as well. So all I've got to do now is I've got to go and cut all these into and make a few more of these as well, so I can place them, and I'll be right back. But they've come out quite pretty. Hey, back again. Right, this is the stuff I use. This sticks to shiny transfer foil. This will do the trick. I've got some holographic ones somewhere. Let's see if I can get this one out. Right, so because I know this works, so let's just do some squiggles all over the place. Then we have to leave it for a minute. I can't really see where I've put the glue, but I'm gonna try and put it all in different places in just little squiggles. We can build it up anyway. We have to give it a minute to go tacky. I know it only takes a few minutes. And then we'll try that. I've got some silver in there as well. Tacky. I'm going to try it. Let's try it. Just rub that down. Right, okay, let's rub that on. In. All over the place. I've got to leave this glue for a second longer. But it did pick it up, look, you can see by the back of that. It did pick it up. Let's just get some of these. I like doing this. Just building it. So we've ended up with these now. Can you see them? So now I've put the transfer sheets on top of them. You have to do it on the shiny side, not on the rough side. And that glue I've got is the two-way glue, which is acid free and that, but it turns blue when it dries. It's clear otherwise, so you can see on here that I've done lots of bits of squiggles and that. So now all I'm going to do is cut these down to fit into these, and then I'm going to glue these together, and I'm going to make some. I've got my card backings, some card backs made. I've got some of these postal stamps, the dies, and I'm going to layer them up, and then I'm going to try and work this out so I can make like a stained glass. So I'll be back shortly again. Okay guys, bye. Okay guys, I've put the backs on and the acetate sheets, and now all I've got to do is put my card blanks on my cards. They're A6 size, and then put one of these backings on, and then put my stained glass window on. I used my little glue to put the flower die on the backs of the acetate without putting too much glue on, because I didn't want it to smudge on the acetate. And then I just cut round the and cut off the remainders of the acetate around the frames. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put, as I said, put the card backs on, put them on, put that on, get a sentiment maybe, or leave them plain, and I'll come back and I'll show you. Okay. Right, back again guys with the finished result. Okay. Now they come out, I'm going to hold one up. Lovely and reflective. Start each day with a grateful heart. There we go. And they all come out nice. And they're all shiny. Okay. And they all look like stained glass windows. And there's Bailey. Say hello, Bay. Where's your ball? Go get your ball. Go on then, go get it. Where's your ball? Go and get your ball. She's run off. So yeah, I think they look pretty. This is my Christmas tree here. In a pot. Nice big Christmas tree. We have these lovely cards made up now. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.